Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have Chipotle. Let me get this strong real quick. I saw these at Dollar Tree. I was gonna save them for a video that I had in mind. I still might do that video, but sorry, I'm out of breath. I just walked up and down my steps like 3 or 4 times trying to get everything for this video. OMG, I'm so out of shape. So these drinks are by the brand B-A-I. I don't know how you pronounce it. By whatever. But these were at Dollar Tree. 2 for $1, I'm pretty sure. So this is Koala Cola and Columbia Cream. And they are vegan. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I checked these in the store, yeah. Yep, it even says kosher, vegan, all that on the bottom. So we have those to drink, and then Chipotle is my life.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
Brandon just went back to work. He had his burrito bowl, and then I was like, let me just make a video, you know? He's at work right now. I'm home alone. Why not? It's been a couple days. So that's what we're having today. I got a massive, like, look how fat that is. Like a massive burrito. And put that in here, and then I'll use this to hold it up. I already know this is gonna be sloppy as hell. I already know, but it's okay. So let's start with this. I also have some salsa on the side in case I want. There's mild in it, but sometimes it's not like saucy enough, you know what I mean? So I already opened this a couple days ago and put it in the fridge, so. It's pretty good. When you first smell it, it smells like Coke, which is very weird. Let's see if it still does. Or maybe like Diet Coke, but then you taste it and it tastes like kind of like the Zevia sodas that I've had in a couple of my past videos. I don't know, it'll do the job. It'll do the trick. All right. It's gonna be messy. I don't even know if I want to keep this up there. Kind of just like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. All right, first bite. Maybe a little quick thummy. This side looks better. Okay. First bite, let's go. Their guac is so good. So damn good. Hi, Abby. And it used to be like $1.75, right? $1.75 or $1.95 for guac. But now it's like I think it's like $2.05 or $2.10 or something. I'm like, damn, all going up. It is so good though, like one of the best guacamoles I've ever had. And then we got sofrita. Sofrita is for the meat, which is the vegan tofu chili crumbles. Brown rice, pinto beans, fajita veggie, sofritas, mild salsa, corn, guac, and lettuce. So creamy. Hi. Maybe she wonders who I'm talking to. That's why she comes up in all of my videos. Like, who the hell are you talking to? Girl. They gave me a lot of guac too. Oh, thank you. She gives me kisses all the time. I hope you all are having an awesome Monday so far. I mean, not so far. It's gonna be nighttime when you see this, but it's like 5 o'clock right now. I'm gonna make a video and then clean up my house, per usual. Yo, this tortilla is so good. It reminds me of roti. I love roti. You okay? I normally get the burrito bowl, but last time we got our burrito bowls, I was like, yo, next time we get Chipotle, I want like a big fat burrito. It just sounds so good. But when we get our burrito bowls, we ask for tortillas on the side, which are free if you didn't know. And then we tear some pieces up, some pieces of the tortilla, and kind of like make mini burritos as we eat the bowl, you know? Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, Mama. Jeez. What are you doing? What's wrong? Come on inside. No, ma'am. Can you just stay over there, please? Oh, I feel a burp coming. So good. What do you guys like to get when you get Chipotle? Do you prefer like the burrito bowls? My face is looking rough. Or like burritos. I don't think I've ever tried getting tacos there. I just feel like that's such a waste. Like, I don't think they put nearly as much as they would in a bowl or a burrito. Like, it's crazy. You get 3 small tacos. Best bet is to just get the burrito bowl and then ask for tortillas on the side. Because it's bomb. Eee, that's flattering. What the fuck? Speaking of burps, you guys really liked my burping video, huh? Thank you for the views, for the support, for the comments and feedback. Thank you. So I'll make another video, another burping video, but this time I think I'm going to do ice, sparkling ice water. Because if that makes me burp, then why not? Like, I can't. Like, the Mountain Dew voltage is literally sitting here since that video. Like, I cannot drink anymore. And it's probably flat by now too, but Brandon finished the rest of the Crush orange soda, but I can't. Like, after that, it made me feel so shitty. Like, holy crap. I felt it everywhere, all over my body when I was laying down in bed. I was like, never again. I got grease on my hand from what? And I don't know why I get so many comments, it seems like, of people wanting me to fart in my videos. Like, come on. I'm burping. Is that not enough for you? I was looking at, like, my first 1 or 2 videos that I made. And when I would burp, I would be like, you know, like, kind of like the silent burps. Or I would burp and say, excuse me, or I'd cut it out. But today I'm just like, fuck it. If you don't mind, I don't mind, but I will not fart. No. I'm sure you would love it, but that's just something. Look at that. Like, that's insane. They didn't even cook the rice all the way either. Like, it's definitely still, like, chewy and has a big bite to it. But it is good, though. Infused with coffee superfruit. Whatever that means. So there's no sugar. The sweetener is stevia leaf extract and erythritol, which is, I'm assuming, some sort of sweetener. Also sweetener blend. I think I've seen it in the store. I don't know. These are pretty good though, for 50 cents. If you want like a carbonated drink that's not super terrible for you. It's pretty good. They had that flavor, the Columbia cream, root beer, which Brandon got and I didn't. And like a ginger ale. Yo, that guacamole. Every time I film a video, I always get low battery. How? 20%. We got time. Just so you could see my progress. There you go. There you go. On to the next. On to the next. I love the black cans too. Like, oh, so aesthetic. Look at that. Look. That looks so freaking. That looks so cute. Yo. Go get you some. I don't think I've burped this much in a video. Well, yeah, what? Honestly, this smells like a cupcake. Like cream soda, but like vanilla cake batter. What the fuck? How do they do that? Let's see. Let's taste it. Is it the same? Yeah. Natural vanilla flavor. What does that mean? I mean, it's vegan, but like, that's weird. Kind of has like a creamy, like, thickness, texture to it. Wow, that's weird. Like, it leaves like that film. Not a film. That's weird. And it's sweet. It tastes like cake batter. That is strange. It's not bad though. But it doesn't taste like your normal cream soda at all. Oh. Okay. So I said I was gonna clean after this, but like, food always makes me want to crash. Even if it's like super healthy. I really need to get my diet in check. It's not been good. So much processed stuff, like ramen noodles, well, vegetable ramen noodles, jjajangmyeon, like snacks, chips, pretzels, Oreos, bunch of shit. But I am cooking more now. Tonight I'm gonna be making have I made it on this channel? I might have. Vegan chicken Alfredo, which is so good. Like, Brandon's been craving it, and he's been like pretty much begging me to make it. So now that I have time and the night off, I'm gonna make it. And it's made with soaked cashews. That's like your main ingredient. So maybe I'll make a video. Who knows? Alright, I'm putting this down. This is so filling. And it was like $6.50. $7.50, something like that. I don't know. Should have brought more napkins. So good. So, I'm sure majority of you who watch me because I do mukbangs, vegan, or because I burp in my videos. But like, would you want to see me do things other than eating, like other than food related? I was thinking like for future videos, like maybe do some DIYs. I've been really wanting to do like a garden or herb pot or something for some time now, but I don't have a backyard. I have a balcony. So I was thinking doing like mini flower pots with like herbs, or like I don't know, I see a lot of stuff on Pinterest. So I was thinking of doing that, like flowers and plants and grow your own food and stuff when you're living in an apartment, or I don't know, cleaning videos, like Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, all those different DIY projects and fun stuff. I don't know, just let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I might not. Oh, how am I gonna pick this up? How am I gonna pick this up? Oh gosh. I dropped something. I don't know where it went. Oops. So good. Oh my gosh. Alright. I had to. So messy. Alright, I'm just gonna eat it like this. So I'll put it on here. You can't see it. Oh, now you can. I'm just gonna eat it like this. Oh my gosh, pardon me. It does the same job, right? Yeah, it is not mixing together good. This is like sweet and dessert. This is like a dessert beverage. Like if you had cake batter in soda form, it would be that. Very weird. But like, I'd be okay to drink it with like a cupcake or something like that. I finally got my eyebrows done, by the way. Looks so much better. They're not like brushed, of course. No makeup, nothing, but they look so much better. It's like the last bite with the tortilla, and then the rest is just rice and stuff. I'm gonna start doing more homemade stuff. I think I have been lately, kind of. But I feel like people prefer to see home-cooked meals over like store-bought. But then again, if you're vegan and you're like out on the go, it's cool to see vegan options at certain restaurants, you know? At least for me, I like watching those videos. No more. I can't tell if that's hair or not, so I'm not gonna eat that. No, no ma'am. Am I ready for a nap? Yeah, kinda. I need a couple shots of espresso. So weird. Somebody asked me if I have any like weird or cool talents. I think he asked if I could wiggle my ears, which if I'm smiling, yeah, I could cross my eyes, but my vision's been fucked lately. Like this eye, I've noticed, like when I play back my videos while I'm editing them, this one looks, I don't know, like it's doing its own thing. Like if I look up, I don't know, I just see it in my videos. So I'm gonna go to the optometrist here soon and see what the F is going on with that. But talent-wise, not really. I could like, do you smell what the rock's cooking? I can't do it with this eye. But yeah, that's it for this video. Oh, these burps just keep coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed eating it, and I'm glad I got some good burps in there for you. Really. I don't think any more burps are gonna happen. I'm not really a big fan of this one. It's just too sweet for my liking, and there's like 0 sugar. That's so weird. It's the vanilla that's throwing me off. I was never a super big fan of cream soda anyways, but I just didn't want the root beer or ginger ale. Okay. That about does it for this video. I am Audi 100. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that shit is strong. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world, and I will see you very soon. Yeah, thank you guys for supporting me, and I'm glad you love my content, and yeah, be on the lookout for more coming to you very soon. I'll see you later. Bye.